welcome to Do It Yourself Catapults with the Deschutes Public Library. I'm Miss Erica and I am here today to show you how to make a super easy and super rad catapult with just a few materials. So to get started, let's make sure you have everything on hand that you need to complete this project. I have got 7 popsicle sticks. These are the thicker ones, but you are more than welcome to use the thin ones, the standard ones that come in popsicles. You need at least 5 rubber bands. It's always nice to have a couple on hand in case one snaps while you're building. You'll need a plastic spoon. And then last but not least, you need something really soft. I'm gonna use a little puff ball here. You can also use like a marshmallow, something that's really lightweight and soft so it doesn't bonk anybody on the head once you're launching your catapult at the end. Okay, so if you have all those materials on hand, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is pull out 5 of those popsicle sticks. We're gonna take them and stack them on top of each other so they look like this. Next, you want 2 rubber bands. And you're going to rubber band each side together. I'm gonna do it tight enough so they don't fall apart, but not so tight that my rubber band snaps. And you want to do that on both sides. And it should look like this once you have both sides securely rubber band together. So we're going to set that aside and we're going to pick up our 2 remaining popsicle sticks. And for this one, we're going to stack them like our larger stack. And we're going to rubber band just on one side. And again, you can make it tight enough so they stay together, but not so tight enough that your rubber band breaks on you. So we should have 2 different sets of popsicle sticks. We're gonna take the larger one, the tall stack that we made, and we're gonna put it right between, like this 2 stack of popsicle sticks is eating it. So it looks like this. Trump, 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 trump. Then we're gonna take another rubber band, and we're gonna securely fasten these 2 together. So you can kind of twist your rubber band, play with it a little bit. You just wanna make sure that they are together and they're not gonna fall apart. There's no right or wrong way to do that. Just make sure that they are securely together. One way that I test it is I hold the end piece of the 2 popsicle sticks that we rubber banded together, and I hold it upside down and just make sure that this part doesn't fall out. Okay, so we have got most of our catapult built. We just have one last step, and that is to take our plastic spoon and we're gonna rubber band that to one of those 2 popsicle sticks, whichever one you wanna make the top. We really want this one to be secure in place because we don't want it to fly off. Sometimes I even tuck in that bottom part into one of those rubber bands that's already there. And I have got a completed catapult. So all that's left is for us to launch it. Are you ready? So make sure you've got something soft. And I've set up a little area right here to see if I can make it in the basket. Oh, that was so close. Well, I'm gonna keep on trying, and you keep trying at home too. Thanks so much for joining us for Do It Yourself Catapults, and I look forward to doing more STEAM activities with you in the future. Have a great day.